So, hi everybody, this is Tasmania, gorgeous Hobart, and we are driving on the way to the Bush Bakery. The Bush Bakery is the greatest bakery of Australia. They have the most delicious food, including a scallop pie and amazing vanilla slices. So this is now a must-go place when visiting Tasmania. And as you see, the drive is gorgeous. It's just, you know, it's classic Tasmania. Everywhere is just beautiful. Everywhere you look, you know, it's just full of green, full of trees. Okay, the light of the sun is shining through the glass, so it's showing a bit of that sign. But now, okay, now it's better. So that beautiful. Everywhere is just so beautiful in Tasmania. And we're nearly there at the Bush Bakery, and once we get there, I'm going to make a little video of all the delicious. It's, you know, you might not give much to it. It's just a simple little bakery, you know, but it's absolutely delicious, like the best, you know. And it's the kind of stuff you pay 3 times the price if you buy in the city. But if you come down here, you know, we just buy straight from, you know, the amazing bakers who make all those delicious food. So it's such a fun experience. I just love it because it's a nice driving here, and then we eat delicious food, and we take delicious food to eat at home. It's really fun. Where are we? Nearly there, I think so. Okay, we are nearly there. And I love how they have I think there was times I saw like horses around and stuff. It's just so beautiful. So as you can see, it's a bit of you know, locals inside, but I'm sharing the local secret. Oops, don't tell anyone. And so we are driving to the bakery. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm going to stop here and continue inside the bakery. See you soon. In our little tables there we can sit, and let's walk into the bakery. So friends, scallop pie $8. You don't find scallop pie anywhere else on the planet. And here we are. Hi everybody! Oh my god, this is the pies paradise, and they got lots and lots of pies, and then all the sweets. And it is amazing because you can buy a big package of sweets, then you have all these delicious sweets, you know. Oh my god, these custard tarts are just amazing. Oh, the cakes, oh, carrot cake, oh my god. Pretty much I want to take everything home. Oh yum, they have yogurt. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up and see you all later. Thank you for watching. Oh my god, cookies. Okay, I'm not wrapping. Yeah, the cookies are amazing. Well, if you like this video, you know what to do. Thank you for watching. Dun, 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 dun. And that's why I love Tasmania. So this is scallop pie from the Bush Bakery, and look at that perfection. This is a work of art. And this is like we're here on top of this gorgeous hill looking at the mountains. I know the window's a bit dirty, so it's hard to see the mountains, but and I'm going to bite. Oh my god. And then you can see it's just perfect. If you lift this, you can see all the amazing. I don't want to destroy the pie, but it's full of scallop. It's so delicious. I'm going to shut up now and eat this pie. If you all enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like, share, comment. Come to Tasmania and buy some pies at the Bush Bakery. See you later. Everybody, I am here on top of the hill, this gorgeous place in Hobart. And as you can see, surrounded by mountains. Oh my god, look at that big black cloud. It's so cold, but it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I don't care how cold Tasmania is. This place is just so stunning that, you know, it's worth putting up with the cold. Look at that view. Okay, this is really on the top of a hill, and we can see all these gorgeous hills from up here. I just wanted to share that because it's just so beautiful, so peaceful. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Beautiful, isn't it? Bye bye.